In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Gmail attachments directly to Google Drive. If you receive files by email and want them safely stored in the cloud without downloading to your computer first, this quick workflow will help. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google's homepage. From there, look for the Gmail link at the top right and click it to open your inbox. Make sure you're signed in to the account where the email was received, especially if you manage more than one Google account. Once you're in Gmail, locate the email that contains the attachment you want to keep. Messages with files usually show a small paperclip in the list view. Open the message, then scroll to the attachment area. If there are several files, decide which one you want to save, or repeat this process for each. You can tap Preview first to double-check you've got the right file before sending it to Drive. Now, look for the Add to Drive icon next to the attachment. It looks like the Google Drive triangle. If you don't see it immediately, hover your mouse over the attachment and the row of action icons will appear. Click Add to Drive. After a moment, a brief confirmation lets you know it worked. By default, Gmail sends the file to your My Drive. If you organize files into folders, you can sort it later from within Google Drive. The important part here is that the attachment is now stored in the cloud and backed up. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If the icon is missing, the item might be a Google Docs link instead of a downloadable attachment, in which case it's already in Drive. Also, very large files may take a moment to appear. That's it. You opened Gmail, selected the message, and used Add to Drive to store the attachment straight to the cloud. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a tidier, safer workflow.